In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Notion to GoHighLevel Business. By the end, you'll have your Notion workspace linked to GoHighLevel so you can streamline workflows and keep information in sync without jumping between tools. Before we start, make sure you can log into both platforms in the same browser. If your team uses multiple GoHighLevel sub-accounts or Notion workspaces, it helps to know which one you want to connect so you choose the right option when prompted. Begin by opening your GoHighLevel account and heading into the specific business location where you want the integration to live. From the main dashboard, look down to the bottom left of the sidebar and click Settings. This is where all account level controls live, and it's the hub for managing connections to other apps. Inside Settings, find and select Integrations on the left side menu. The Integrations page lists the apps that can connect directly to your GoHighLevel location. You can explore what's available here and see at a glance which tools are already connected. If you'd like, you can scroll through the list to browse. A faster way, though, is to use the search bar at the top of the Integrations page. Type Notion, and you should see the Notion integration card appear. If nothing comes up, clear any filters, refresh the page, or confirm you're in the correct location with the right permissions. When you see Notion, click Connect. This will open a secure window to begin the authorization process. Don't worry if your browser asks for permission to open a pop-up. Allow it so the sign-in window can appear. Next, choose the Notion account you want to sign in with. If you manage multiple Notion accounts, be sure you pick the one that has access to the workspace or pages you want connected to GoHighLevel. During sign-in, Notion may ask you to review and approve permissions. Grant access as needed, ideally using the least privilege you require. You may also be prompted to select a workspace or specific pages to share. Choose the ones that make sense for your workflows. Once the connection completes, you should see Notion marked as connected back on the integrations page in GoHighLevel. If you don't, refresh the page and check for any alerts. Common hiccups include pop-up blockers, being signed into the wrong Notion account, or missing permissions. Switching to an incognito window or logging out and back in can quickly resolve these. That's it. You've connected Notion to your GoHighLevel business. From here, you can put the integration to work inside your existing processes and keep your team organized across both platforms.